In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to combo with Cyborg on Project Smash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to present a very basic combo that you will be able to use as the Cyborg on Project Smash. This combo will allow you to get your opponent slow and create openings for you to attack. So, using the 4 abilities of the Cyborg, Ion Shot, Afterburner, Ion Blitz, and Overdrive, you will be able to beat your opponents. So, for this combo, all that you have to do is first line yourself up with an opponent. You will open with 3 M1s, and right before the 4th M1 that would knock them down, you will do a down slam instead. So do 3 M1s, jump, and then do a down slam. Next, do a dash and use your Ion Shot, known as your first ability. So you will fire a projectile that will stun the target, and after you stun them, you dash into 3 more M1s, and then you use Ion Blitz to disrupt the foe. So once again, in full, first you open with 3 M1s, into a down slam, into a dash, you use Ion Shot, which is your first skill, aka 1, then you dash, 3 M1s into Ion Blitz, which is your third skill, aka 3. And this combo should get your opponents pretty low. I would say this is a medium difficulty combo, so you will not have to practice for long. I recommend that you do this against a dummy, and once you get the hang of this, you will be able to get a nice opening on any opponents that you face. You will do enough damage so you can finish them off with the same combo once you get your skills back up, or you can get them low with just basic M1s afterwards. Choose whichever option you prefer, and as long as you master this combo of 3 M1 into down slam, dash, 1, dash, 3 M1, and 3, you will be able to create openings for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to combo with Cyborg on Project Smash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.